Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, Googpt.ai. In today's video, we are going to talk about an AI tool that can help you with your queries anytime, anywhere. Meet Googpt.ai, the alternative to Chat GPT. And the best part about Googpt.ai is that you can use it without signing up, and it's completely free of cost. Plus, unlike Chat GPT, it never gets overwhelmed with traffic. So you can access it anytime and get the solutions you need without any hassle. For instance, if I ask what are the best restaurants in New York City, Googpt would show me a list of search results with links and provide me with an answer like this, according to timeout.com. The best restaurants in New York City are these ones.
And that's not all. Googpt also provides built-in Chat GPT results with your queries, giving you an even more comprehensive and accurate answer. So what are you waiting for? Give Googpt.ai a try and experience the power of AI at your fingertips.
So, what do you think about Googpt? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, Googpt.ai, for more informative AI tools content like this. Thanks for watching.